To get the most out of your vitamin supplements in the run-up to the tournament, follow these expert tips and tricks. Understand your requirements, identify specific vitamins and nutrients that can support your performance during tournaments. Consult a nutritionist or healthcare professional for your supplement regimen. Start early. Start including vitamin supplements in your diet before the tournament. This allows your body to adapt and optimize benefits. Stick to a schedule. Consistency is key. Take your supplements at the same time each day to maintain stable nutrient levels in your system. Follow recommended dosages. Avoid exceeding the recommended dosages as excess intake may adversely affect your health. Combine with a balanced diet. Vitamin supplements are meant to supplement your diet, not replace it. Make sure you take supplements as well as a balanced and nutritious diet. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration helps your body absorb and use vitamins effectively. Monitor your progress. Keep track of how you feel and perform during training. Adjust your supplement intake as needed based on your body's response. Get plenty of rest. Quality sleep is essential for recovery and allowing your body to reap the benefits of supplements. Avoid new supplements before tournaments. Stick to supplements you've tried and tested before. Avoid trying newbies right before a tournament to prevent any possible adverse reactions. Combine with exercise. Regular physical activity complements the effects of vitamin supplements, improving overall performance. Manage stress. High stress levels can negatively affect your body's absorption of nutrients. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation or yoga. Choose high-quality supplements. Opt for reputable brands and make sure your supplements are third-party tested for quality and purity. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated with the latest research and recommendations on vitamin supplements for athletes. Remember, the key is to create a personalized approach to your vitamin supplements based on your individual needs and goals. Prioritize your health and consult with professionals to optimize the benefits of your vitamin supplements in preparation for upcoming tournaments.